company is Leap Australia. We deliver engineering services and software to companies around Australia and New Zealand. Our team provides support, training and advice in CAD, CAM and CAE software. So we were founded in 1996. We've got around 2,000 customers to date, with around 50 employees, around 6 major offices around Australia and New Zealand. So we've created this Leap academic portal with the goal of providing information, self-guided tutorials, and also context about how simulations can be used throughout the product lifecycle. So the portal is created for students, so your feedback is appreciated on the content and also the presentation type. So I'll go through that portal at the moment. So just type in Leap Academic Portal, and this is the first landing page that you'll see. So we've got some different physics here. If you click on the photos, they'll go through to the different physics we've got available. We've got a ANSYS student version to be downloaded. We've got tips and tricks, and you can stay connected through the socials. Log in on the top right. So you can create your own account on the right-hand side here for free. So I've already created one. Alright, so the first thing that you guys will see is this. So we've got technical support here and a technical request form. So one of the things we do at Leap Australia is provide technical support to students. So if you do have any questions, please send a support form through. You can see we've got the help button here, and we've also got the different physics. So if we go into Teams, we've got today's day 1 finite element analysis. So you can click on this, and we'll come up with an extra page saying enroll me. And then just click through and you'll go through to the different tutorials that we have up. We also do have a structural frequently asked questions. So after the design to win event, if you do have any questions, do post on that forum or through the actual help. Now through university, I'm sure that you've been exposed to the standard fluids, structural and electrical side of single physics simulations. However, it's important to keep in mind that we're also integrating software into our simulations. Now, as students, I'm sure the teachers teach you how to analyze single physics problems. However, when you join the industry and as your engineering skills develop, you'll need to be able to understand how the different physics interact and eventually how whole systems integrate. With these skills that you can then develop something called a digital prototype, allowing you to design, develop, troubleshoot, optimize, verify, and validate your system requirements. So once the design is in the field, this digital prototype can act as a digital twin. It enables you to evaluate performance, maintenance, and also troubleshoot any issues that were unaccounted for. So as engineers, we've been using simulations in order to improve our designs and give us an advantage in the market. Simulations give you the ability to design, troubleshoot, and optimize before building a physical prototype. Now this enables us to save time and money in the design phase, and in the end means more testing and refinement on track. So how can we help you? So understand that we service the industry when it comes to simulations, so we understand exactly what they need and what projects they're undertaking. We know exactly what they expect from the students, and we find that these engineering competitions produce some standout graduates. So we're using this competition to give you the skills necessary to be industry ready. These employers also come to us when it comes to jobs, so if you're interested in a job requiring simulations, please keep in contact with us. We also provide sponsorship to the different teams, so we can provide up-to-date licensing through ANSYS, priority when it comes to support, access to any LEAP events, and also some mentoring sessions. We've also got the LEAP Academic Portal. You can use that as a reference guide to set up tips and tricks and blogs as well. And keep in mind, we're here to facilitate your learning. So if you have any support, we're not going to give you the answer. We're going to help you get to that answer. So we're going to point you in the right direction through either, reviewing a simulation or a help guide or some sort of best practice. All right, that's all from me. I'll hand it over to Sam, which is one of our senior FEA correspondents.